Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify ZALO account. First, open the ZALO app on your phone. On the main screen, tap on the option that says Create a new account. ZALO requires every new account to be verified by phone number. This is done to make sure that every user is using a real and active number. Next, go ahead and enter your mobile number carefully. Make sure you type in the correct digits because ZALO will send the verification process through that number. After typing your number, tap on the Agree to Terms and Services checkbox to accept ZALO's policies. Once you've done that, tap on the Next button to move forward. Now you will see a small challenge on your screen. ZALO uses this step to make sure you are not a bot. It might ask you to solve a simple CAPTCHA, like completing a puzzle or sliding a piece into the correct spot. Take a moment to solve it, and when it's done, ZALO will allow you to continue to the verification stage. At this point, ZALO will show you two different options to verify your account. The first method is to contact the ZALO hotline directly and receive your verification code through them. The hotline staff will confirm your number and send you the code you need to complete your account setup. The second option is to ask a friend who lives in Vietnam to call the ZALO hotline for you. This is useful if you're not in Vietnam or can't access the hotline yourself. Your friend will need to provide your number to the hotline and request verification on your behalf. Both of these methods work the same way. Once the hotline confirms your information and sends you the verification code, enter that code in the app. After this step, your ZALO account will be verified and ready to use. Thanks for watching.